show you how the ferry trip from Cadiz to Tenerife looks like. Trip starts every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Ferry station is very near to the city center of Cadiz. You should be there around 1 to 2 hours prior to ferry departure. Tickets include Pullman seats. However, the trip takes 2 days and nights. It's maybe worth to think about camarote, which is not much more expensive. You can share a cabin with somebody. On board, 3 meals a day are served and included in your price ticket. There is internet, however not in the cabins. Ferry offers also kids area and possibility to transport pets. On Wednesday, 11 p.m., ferry arrives in Lanzarote. The next morning, in Las Palmas. Finally, after a 48-hour trip, we reach Tenerife.